What is freelancing? Hey guys, in this video we discuss what is freelancing. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Freelancing is doing specific work for clients without committing to full-time employment. Freelancer often take on multiple projects with different clients simultaneously. The Internal Revenue Service (IRSR) consider freelancer to be self-employed individual. Freelancer handle contract work on a part-time or full-time basis and often sign agreements before starting projects. With freelancing, the clients pays per project, per task, or per hour. Depending on the agreement, freelancer projects typically involve short-term assignments, although satisfied clients often request follow-on work. Most freelancer jobs are available in the skilled service and creative sectors such as copywriting, programming, engineering, and marketing. Benefits of freelancing. Being your own boss as a freelancer comes with many potential perks, including flexibility. As a freelancer, you are able to choose your own hours and decide when and where to work. For example, you can work from home or when you at the beach. Freelancing flexibility helps promote a better work-life balance. Choice of clients and projects. Working as a freelancer allows you to select the project that match your skills and interest. You can also pick clients who fit particular criteria. Setting your own rates, you may enjoy greater control of your earnings potential since you generally set your own rates. As a freelancer, the amounts of work you able to handle daily or weekly is another factor that is likely to determine your earnings. Improved skill set. As a freelancer, you may have the opportunity to work on more specified projects, giving you greater experience with niche subject areas. Exposure to global brands. Because you can choose your clients and projects, you have the opportunity to develop a meaningful relationship with business from around the world. Disadvantages of freelancing. While being a freelancer offers many advantages, you also want to consider potential downside corners. Isolation. Unlike a part-time or full-time jobs, having a freelance business may get lonely, especially if you working remotely. If you thrive on day-to-day interactions with colleagues in the work environment, you may find freelancing isolating. And uncertain job security. Freelance work is likely to be erratic. You might have more work than you know what to do with at some points, but struggle to hand projects at other times. You may need to continue working is your regularly job to maintain a steady income in the early stages of freelancing career. Administrative responsibility. As your own boss, you need to handle legal paperwork, invoicing, marketing, and other relevant administrative duties. These responsibilities may require considerable knowledge of bookkeeping, tax, regulation, and office technology and take time from your area or focus. No employer funded benefits. As a self-employed person, you don't have an employer who contributes to health insurance, 401k, retirement offering, and other benefit associated with a full-time job. Main difference between freelancing and a full-time job. The ideal choice between freelancing and full-time employment depends on individual consideration of what is important. Compare these main differences to help you make the best decision for your personal situation. uh, Freelancing and full-time job flexibility. You have the freedom to work from anywhere at any time depending on your preferences or circumstances, and you get to pick your clients and projects. Full-time job. Having a full-time job means you perform specific duties during set working hours. You also typically have set responsibilities. Stability. Freelancing. Unlike full-time employment, freelance work can be a bit unpredictable, making it harder to plan for the future. Full-time job. Full-time workers generally have a stable, predictable income and work schedule, making it easier to plan for future expenses. Benefits. Implement workers typically don't have access to employer funded benefits likely paid vacation time, retirement plans, health insurance, and sick leave. Full-time job benefits are the significant upside or full-time employment like paid vacation, health insurance, and retirement plans. Motivation. As a freelancer, you operate as your own boss, making self-motivation a necessity. Full-time job. As a full-time employee, you expect to meet specific performance standards to earn raises or promotion. 9 categories of in-demand freelancer work. One of the best features of a gig economy is that you can work in various sectors depending on your skill set. Below we list some popular work categories available as an independent contractor. Development and IT. The category includes several technology jobs such as programming, UX design, and web development. Some professionals focus on quality assurance and additional technical support roles. Web development. This job involves writing code for website layouts and result in fully functional sites. Web development are responsible for creating, maintaining, scaling clients' website according to specific requirements. UX designer. User experience UX designer help ensure a smooth online experience by designing user friendly elements of a website, software, or mobile apps. They provided usability solution based on extensive research and competitor analysis. Programmer. Programming is a popular field that involves working with computers and software development. This highly technical area is a good choice if you're keen on working code for a living. Design and creative. Freelance creative professional create visual elements, content, and products to capture user attention. Graphic designer. If you venture into freelance graphic design, you may help client create attractive logos, corporate literature, or website branding elements. Video editor.